day to you, Sir Madam. I'm Epifania Eugenio, 30 years old, married. I have 2 children. I graduate in high school.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Epifania. How are you right now?
Sir Madam, I'm fine.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
I am responsible, honest, hardworking.
So since you're already a mother, can you tell us how to take care of children?
I give them foods, vitamins, and play with them, and loving like my own children.
So what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you, what will you do?
Sir Madam, I will say sorry and promise not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir Madam, please do hire me because I need this financially. I promise finish this 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Epifania, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir Madam.